Now, on the phone, Gordon Johnson. He's GLJ research kind of guy. We used to have him on talking a lot about Tesla, and now you're going to talk about the overall market. I've got one question for you, Gordon. Here it is.
Sure.
How does the market respond to the terrible economic news, which we know is coming down the pike in April?
Well, Stuart, thanks for having me on. And I think one of the most important dynamics you have to consider is rebalancing. If you go back to the 2008-2009 crisis, as pension funds, as stocks fall, think about it. If you have to have an allocation of 60-40 equities, treasuries, or equities bonds, stock market falls 30%. 10%. Now you're at 42, 44. At the end of the month, you have to rebalance. So we calculate roughly $850 billion of buying starting March 20th, that needed to happen by the end of the month to rebalance. That's what we think drove the rally. Now that's over, we think you're going to get some big selling in the market through the month of April as financial results come out.
Okay, one last one here. The low for the Dow recently was 18,591. Do we, this month, retest 18,591?
Not only do we think you retest it, but we think we go below that. Think about this. The lows set in December 2018, when S&P earnings were up, GDPs were growing, and the Fed was actually going to cut rates, is lower than where we're at right now. We think one of the key dynamics here is, given the Fed policy over the past several years, you've had a lot of passive investors, and that's created a low level of volatility that we don't think is normal, we don't think is healthy. So what's happening is a lot of the hedge funds that previously would buy call options to protect the risk of downside in the stock market, they thought stocks would never fall, and they started selling call options. So you have negative gamma, that as selling happens more, we think selling is going to beget selling. So we think you're going to have some big selling in the first half to 3/4 of April, because pension funds no longer have to rebalance, so you don't have that backstop in the market. So we would be cautious.
Okay, Gordon, you make your points very well, and I'm going to summarize it. You do think that we will retest that low of 18,591 on the Dow. Gordon, thanks very much indeed.